Hey, this is the new CarryOn Golden scooter. I'm Kevin Brown with All Star Medical, and we want to show you today, this is how it would come to your home. Real easy to assemble, so I want to show you how everything works. Just got your regular box here. Just got this shipped into us by UPS. So I'm just going to take my key, go across, open this up, go over how easy it is to get everything put together and ready to use. So Golden hands out these little flags all the time. They pretty much come standard with most all their power and mobility devices. You take that out. You got a cup holder. You got your charger along with the cord here. So I'm going to take this out, set it to the side. The rest is taking this styrofoam off. Next thing I'll do, I'm going to grab the seat here. Seat's all wrapped up in plastic, ready to go. All you got to do is just get the plastic off here. Got a little tape on the back side. Take it off, set it to the side. Wait till you get the scooter out. We'll set that right there. No perfect way to do this, but pretty easy as far as everything goes like that. What I like to do, I always like to take the plastic off. Just rip it, basically just like that. Got your owner's manual right here. All right, and so, you know, the next thing you'll do is just grab the unit, up, grab the back side, and you're set up, okay? There's a yellow lever right here. You push this yellow lever. That's gonna release the tiller up. Then you got your seat post right here. One of the other things I always like to show on this, here, we're gonna see that it says the scooter will not operate until the power fuse is installed. Remove the cover, move the fuse as shown, and reinstall the cover. So we're gonna do that real quick, just so we can show you how easy it is. Take that out. I'm gonna take the spare fuse right here. You just insert it right here. Just slide it in. Put your cover back on. Tighten it back down. Then I'm gonna grab all this over here, because the key, I believe it's actually in the cup holder. I was wrong, I thought it was in that box. It's in the cup holder. You come with, it comes with 2 keys, so I always tell people to make sure and have that spare set aside. Just like your car keys, you don't want to lose them. If you do, you need to know where that other one's at. I'm gonna sit there, turn the light on. Kind of hard to see, but the light is on. Shows you the power and the battery life and everything like that. Next, I'm gonna take the seat here. Then as you see, there's a circle right here, post, goes in this hole right here like this. Charger, just a small little charger. You'll see right here, this plugs into this end, this cord. Plug this into the wall, and you plug this in right here to charge it. It's always recommended to charge it a good 8 hours before you use. It's not the end of the world if you ride around on it for a little bit, but we always do recommend charge it up front. But that's the assembly. You can see it's fairly easy. All I've got to do next is assemble the cup holder, which I haven't done yet. I'm not gonna do it in the video, but it's just real quick, just pop it on. But little things like that, just want everybody to see how easy it actually is to assemble one of these. And before you know it, you're riding around in your brand new Golden CarryOn scooter. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to share this out, show people. It's a great little mobility scooter for travel. We have these in both our store locations and online, so you can get this shipped to you. I highly recommend, don't worry about anything but a regular shipping. There's no need for white glove on this. Don't waste your money. Just order it from allstarmedicalllc.com. It's the CarryOn Golden Technology scooter, and we'll be glad to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-730-9438. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our page so you can get more videos like this. Have a great day.